Hi everybody. So, I am out and about. Ano to? Before we go down, I have to put sunscreen. So, muna ako? Sanitizer. Okay. Tapos, this is Skin Aqua or what? Basta it's from Japan. This was given to me by my very good friend, Dr. Ruben Valeza. A super duper love ko. So this is from him. Hi Justin. Hi Fernandez Bia. How are you? Kim, my very good friend. Kim is here. She's in Canada. I won't tell you her real name. Sabihin ko na lang kanyang drag name, which is Safia de la Paz. Char. Okay. Gusto ko madami. Diba? Sabihin ko lang kanyang drag name. Uwi ka sa Dismay para makasama ka sa beach. Sa ating beach trip that I am organizing. Cheers. Kasi they're busy. Tapos hindi natutumang aming mga schedule. They're booked and busy. Tapos guys, pati ang nape. You have to put sa neck and sa nape. Kasi, di nyo napansin yung iba, hindi pantay yung color ng kanilang mukha tsaka leeg. Because, yung iba, kapag sa araw, na-expose, hindi nakasunblock ang kanilang neck at ang kanilang nape. Birthday ni KD ngayon. Oh my God! Sige, I'm gonna greet him. Oo nga pala, KD is a Taurus. KD Estrada is such a Taurus. It's giving Taurus energy. Tapos dapat talaga even as a face itong sunscreen. What I like about this, it's very light. Okay? Tapos hindi siya nag-iiwan ng white cast. So yun. Anyway, I have to brush my hair. Okay, I have to go down na. Bye.